out those details that could be taken. We've already spoken about the first file signed by the Prime Minister, which pertains to PM Kisan Nidhi release. Another decision on the cards could be in relation to the increase in number of homes under the Awas Yojana. So that's the next big breaking news update, and that's why we see it's all down to business on part of the Prime Minister. Pallavi is joining us with that big inside scoop. That's the next big thing that we could just witness. Pallavi.
That's right. In fact, if you look at the first big decision which has been taken by the Prime Minister today, his first day in office after taking oath yesterday, it has been on the farmers. The cardinal principle, or the pillars, if one can say it, of this government have been issues like farmers, women empowerment, and also the poor, the Labharti scheme, reaching out to the poorest of the poor, to having a shelter, toilets. All of that is going to be a part of the 100-day plan. But what we already are picking up is, and this is something which would come as early as in the cabinet meeting also today, is to increase the spectrum of the homes under the Awas Yojana, the Prime Minister's Awas Yojana. The Prime Minister has been stressing on the fact that more and more homes should be available to the poorest of the poor. People who are not able to buy homes, they require shelter, and this is what his government has been offering. So consistently in sync with the fact that even before the election schedule was announced and a model code of conduct had come in, you did see decisions being taken by the cabinet which was increasing the number of homes coming under the Awas Yojana of the Prime Minister. That is likely to be extended, as I said, as early as today, because the draft has been finalized, the proposal also has been finalized. All we are now going to be waiting for is at that cabinet meeting, and of course the portfolio distribution as well.
Okay, these were also expectations as far as the interim budget is concerned, and given that the budget presentation is also not quite far away, we may just see all of that reflect in the budget that the Modi government 3.0 will be presenting. Many thanks for joining us with all those updates. A quick commercial break here from me. For now, we'll be right back with lots more.